Okay. So page number exercise 13.2 question number 16 to so ever page number 548 question মই explain কৰি দিছো first of so ever কি কৈছে in a hostel 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper 40% read English newspaper and 20% read both Hindi and English newspaper তালকে মই ৰৈ দিছো stop কৰিছো এটা তোমালোকে ভালকে কোৱেশ্চনটো পঢ়িলে দেখিবা this is nothing but the information which are given to us এতিয়ালৈকে probability question বিলাক হলে এটা experiment start হয় এতিয়ালৈকে কিন্তু experiment start নাই কৰা তেওঁলোকে so that means if we consider that 100 students are there আমি যদি টোটাল 100 স্টুডেন্ট হোস্টেলত আছে বুলি কনসিডার কৰো so out of 100 60 students read Hindi newspaper 40 read English and 20 read Hindi and English both এটা কি কৈছে সোয়া a student is selected in random আমাৰ experiment start হৈছে এটা স্টুডেন্ট randomly select কৰা হৈছে okay but we don't have the confirmation about the student আমি স্টুডেন্ট বিষয়ে confirmation নাই কি হিন্দি পঢ়ে নে ইংলিশ পঢ়ে নে দুখন পেপাৰ পঢ়ে আমি নাজানো but আমি এটা স্টুডেন্ট সিলেক্ট কৰিছো কি কৈছে সো ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চন টু ফাইন্ড the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper এতিয়া সোৱা তোমালোকক বুজিব পাব কাৰণে কৈছো সো let e reads English newspaper okay and suppose and H represents event of the Hindi newspaper দুটা event মই কনসিডার কৰিছো one is E another is H so তোমালোকে E আৰু F কনসিডার কৰি লবা মই বুজিব কাৰণে কৈছো তোমালোকক for you to find it out it is already given probability of E is equal to what is the probability of the event E 60 by 100 no 40 by 100 student पे English newspaper probability किमान so 40 by 100 out of 100 students how many students are there who read English newspaper 40 so answer is what 4 by 10 or you can say that 2 by 5 ठीक है what is the probability of the event 60 by 100 that means 6 by 10 which is equal to 3 by 5 okay এটা out of the what is the probability of E intersection H E intersection H means both the newspaper E and Hindi English and Hindi both which is equal to 20 by 100 which is equal to 1 by 5 in the last class we have discussed about independent and dependent event independent event we পঢ়িছিলো মই মনত পেলাই দিছো two events are said to be independent if probability of E intersection F should be equal to what probability of E into probability of F probability of E into probability of F দুটা event independent হবলে হলে the multiplication of their individual probabilities should be equal with the probability of the intersection now my question is that the information which are given to us from the information can you give the conclusion about the independent property of these two event এই দুটা event আমি independent property বিষয়ে কিবা conclusion দিব পাৰা নেকি are they independent or not what is the probability of the intersection 1 by 5 what is their multiplication of the individual probability so 6 by 25 are they equal no so that's why they are not independent events এটো কথা আমি at least question বিশেষ আমি চাই যাব পাৰিম এতিয়া সোৱা what you will find it out you will find it out neither Hindi nor English neither Hindi H complement and nor English you have to find out the probability of this one I think we can easily give the conclusion about H union E whole complement according to De Morgan's law we can easily write it out and it is also known to you probability of A complement is equal to what 1 minus probability of A so if we consider this one as A so probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of H union E and we can easily apply the property probability of H plus probability of E minus probability of H intersection all the values are given put the value to respective places we will have the exact probability of the students who read neither Hindi nor English so what about the question number 2 read the question first what is the question number 2 if she read Hindi newspaper ছোৱালীজনী যদি হিন্দী নিউজপেপাৰ পঢ়ে ইট ইজ নোন টু ইউ তোমালোকক ইনফৰমেশন কৰা আছে মই যেটো ৰেন্ডমলি ষ্টুডেন্ট মই সিলেক্ট কৰিছিলো সেই ষ্টুডেন্টে অলৰেডি হিন্দী নিউজপেপাৰ পঢ়ে বুলি তোমালোকে জানা তোমালোক কি কৰিছে find the probability that she read English newspaper ছোৱালীজনী ইংলিশ নিউজপেপাৰ পঢ়াৰ probability কিমান then obviously it is a situation for conditional probability how you have come to know that the question is from conditional probability question বুলি কেনে গম পাইছা two situations are there. Out of these two information, one is known to you. এটা অলরেডি তোমালোকে জানা আৰু এটা probability উলিয়াব দিছে। সো আমাক কি given হয়? C read Hindi or English? C read Hindi newspaper. So H will be there in the denominator, and you have to find out the probability of English newspaper. It's conditional probability. তাই Hindi newspaper পঢ়ে তোমাক English পঢ়াৰ probability দিছে। So listen. Are they independent events? Yes or no? No. If they are not independent, মানে এটা আনটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰিব। যদি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট probability হ'ল তেন মই তোমাক মনত পেলাই দিছো যদি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ইভেন্ট হ'ল এটা আনটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড নকৰে। That means the occurrence of the probability of the event E is not depend upon the occurrence of the event H or H to occur or not occur ওপৰত তোমালোকৰ probability of E depend নকৰে যদি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হ'ল আৰু ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট probability হ'লে ইয়াৰ মানে অৰিজিনাল যিটো E যিটো অৰিজিনাল probability আছিল সেইটো কন্ডিশন দিয়াৰ পিছতো চেঞ্জ নহয় যদি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্টলি কাম কৰিলে হেতেন। But here they are not independent. That means you cannot think about the value of probability of E. আমি এইটো ফৰ্মুলা get apply কৰিব নোৱাৰিম because they are not independent. They are totally dependent. তাতে এটা আনটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰিছে। So which one formula we have to apply? Probability of E intersection H divided by probability of H. Answer is 1/5 whole divided by probability of H means 3/5. So what is the answer? 1/3. So what about the next one? Option C, which one is given? If she read English newspaper, what is the probability that she read Hindi newspaper? Same situation, conditional probability, but here we have to write down H by E. Are they independent or dependent? They are dependent. So then আমি direct formula আমি এটো apply কৰিব লাগিব। Probability E intersection H divided by probability of what? E. So probability of E means 2/5 and intersection means 1/5. So what is the answer? So in this way we can find out. তোমালোকে ভালকে চালে দেখিবা কোৱেশ্চনটো সিম্পল হয় তোমালোকে কিন্তু আমি কন্ডিশনাল probability ইউজ কৰিছো আৰু এই বস্তুটো বেলেগ এটা প্ৰপাৰ্টি পৰা আহিছে মই এটা এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিবলৈ গৈছো জাস্ট নোট ইট ডাউন কোৱেশ্চনটো কি তোমালোকে লিখোতে খালি এগুলা লিখিবা যে let E be the event that the student read Hindi newspaper, let F be the event that the student read English newspaper এনেকে লিখিবা লিখা Okay, so listen, I mean next topic to আছে সোয়া এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা যিটো পৰা তোমালোকে ডাইৰেক্টলি কনক্লুজন দিব পাৰিবা if listen E and F first I will position কি লিখিছো if E and F are two independent events, that means what is the condition to be satisfied? Probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. Hetu hobalu hobo. Kenai gom pala? Because they are independent events. Independent events are condition ki asil? Tarmane probability of E intersection F should be equal to what? Probability of E into probability of F. So this is the condition to be satisfied. ঠিক আছে ne? এটা সব তোমালোকে মন কৰিবা if E and F are two independent events, that means if E and F satisfy this condition, number 1 E and F complement are also independent. Means what? এটো তোমালোকে F complement চোৱা যদি A এটা সেট হয় তাহলে A complement এটা সেটে হয় তাহলে তোমালোকে F এটা ইভেন্ট আছে so F complement এটা ইভেন্টে হয় ইভেন্ট means nothing but the subset of the sample space E and F are always subsets আমি জানো এটা চোৱা E আৰু A টো এটা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ইভেন্ট হ'ব that means what is the condition to be satisfied E intersection F complement should be equal to কিমান হ'ব কাৰণ আমি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হয় বুলি কৈছে তাৰমানে কি হ'ব probability of E into probability of F complement নাপাহৰিবা E আৰু F যদি কেনেবাকৈ কোনবা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট বুলি দিছে তেতিয়াহলে E and F complement are also independent. Next one E complement and F are also independent. That is probability of E complement intersection F should be equal to what? Probability of E complement into probability of what? F. Last one, third condition. Ever halke sai loba E complement and F complement are also independent. What is the condition to be satisfied? Probability of E complement intersection F complement is equal to what? Probability of E complement into probability of F. If E and F are independent events, then the three conditions should be satisfied. E and F complement are also independent, E complement and F are also independent, and their complements are also independent. মানে E আৰু F যদি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হয় ন, তাহলে কোনোবা এটা কমপ্লিমেন্ট হলো ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হৈ যাব, বা তাহলে যদি দুইটা কমপ্লিমেন্ট হয় তাহলে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট হৈ যায়। ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া চোৱা অলপ দেৰি আগত এটো তোমালোকে অলপ দেৰি আগত দেখিছিলা probability of H is equal to 2/5, probability of E is equal to 1/5, and probability of E intersection H is equal to 2/3. মানে ধৰি লৈছো এতিয়া মোক ক'ব লাগে are they independent? 2 into 1 2 5 times 25, so 2/25. Yet क्या पाइसा 2/5 or 2/3. They are not independent because their intersection probability and their multiplication of individual probabilities are not same. That's why they are not independent. তোমাক যদি সুধে চোৱা probability of E complement intersection H complement, যদি সুধিলে হেতেন suppose ধৰি লোৱা হ'ল they are independent. Now they are independent. I think you have come to know. Can I go pala 2/25? Here what is the value? 2/25 equal, so they are independent. তোমাক যদি সুধেন what is the probability of neither English nor Hindi, তোমালোকে কলা হেতেন probability of E complement into probability of what? H complement. Because E আৰু F independent হলে তাহাঁতৰ complement কিটাও independent হয়. So what is the probability of E complement? 1 minus probability of E. I think it is known to you. 1 probability of E complement means 1 minus probability of E. And what is the value of probability of H? 1 minus probability of H. Probability of E is already given 2/5 or 1/5. Probability of H is equal to 2/5. Put the value and try to simplify, you will get the answer. But remember, the events should be initially independent. Then and generally you can easily apply this properties. Otherwise no. Kintu amar already jitu question ami discuss kori ahisu question number 13 or so he question to 23 kiman ase mo pahorisu he question to kintu independent nasil ekan ami enoka property apply nai kora dekhila na directly simplify kori uliaisu kintu ami apply koribo lagia ase কাৰণ because they are independent property bilak janile answer joldi ulai tomar time save hoi jabo if both cases you will have the same answer. Okay, so ekita so tinta property ase, so now I am going to prove any one of these three. But I have proof kori moi, so better way to proof kori diu. So na etu proof kori easy baba, so kumara ma kori disu etu already মই কৰাইছো তোমালোকে সালে গম পাবা লাষ্ট ক্লাছত ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ইভেন্টৰ কেছত মই কৰাইছো. so মই এটা proof কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো এবাৰ. So listen first, E and F are independent. Remember, question already this one is given to us. This is given. E and F are independent. Using this property, you have to prove that E and F complement are also independent. At least you have to prove this one. So, moi left hand side to consider korisu. This is our aim. You have to prove this one. Na pahoriba. So, I think from the Venn diagram, you can just think about the application of this one. This one is E and this one is F. Okay, E intersection F complement means I think it is known to you. It is E minus F. Am I correct? E minus F. The sets of property or E intersection F complement means E minus F. Which one portion? I think this one portion E minus F. E para F to minus koribo lage. So this is the set E. Tarpor F of portion to minus kora. So it will be the remaining portion. How can you find out the value? To have the value of this one shaded region, I mean shaded region to value পাবো কারণে আমি কি করি এই E পড়া এই portion minus করি. This is nothing but the intersection portion. E পড়া যদি তাহলে মই এটাকে কোন probability of E minus probability of what? E intersection F. ঠিক আছে কইছো total E to পড়া intersection portion to minus করে দিবি. So we will have this one expression. And it is known to you E and F are independent. It is already given. Independently দিয়া আছে ন, so আমি এই property ইউজ কৰিম probability of E minus probability of E into probability of F. Why? Is E and F are what? E and F are independent. That's why you have to apply this property. So now I think you have got my point. Probability of E should be common. So 1 minus probability of what? F. Is it clear? And 1 minus probability of F means what? Probability of F complement. 1 minus probability of F means probability of F complement. So we have got that. That means probability of E intersection F complement is equal to probability of E into probability of F complement. So independent property হয় মানে তারা intersection of probability তারা individual probability multiplication over কি পাইছা equal পাইছা. That's why they are independent. Crucial property you have applied here. E and F are independent property আমি ইয়াত ইউজ কৰি simplify কৰিছো. মানে যদি দুটা ইভেন্ট independent হয় then number E and F complement are also independent. I think you can put the second one also. Or third one তোমালোকে prove কৰিব পাৰিবা. Okay, just note it down.